Hello and welcome to this new video. It's a pleasure for me to see you here. And what are we talking about today? Today we are talking about security payloads and especially about security data stealers. And if you want to know what this is, then you're right here. By the way, my name is Sven. I'm developer advocate for JFrog, and as you can see, I'm mostly out in the woods. And if you like this combination of cybersecurity topics and outdoors, check out my YouTube channel. You will find a bunch of them there. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, please. It would be a pleasure for me to see you there as my new subscriber. But now, time to start. So first question is, what is a security payload? A security payload is a piece of software that is brought in by a third party to do some task, and this task is definitely not to the benefit of the original owner of the server. And these processes try to hide themselves. They try to work in the with administrator rights or something like this, so with the highest right they can grab. And yeah, so that's more or less a general description of what a security payload is. So it's a brought in piece of software that is running, try to hide itself and try to do tasks for the benefit of someone externally, and definitely not at the benefit or for the good of this owner of the server. So what's a sensitive data stealer and how it works? Sensitive data stealer is a piece of software that try to find information, sensitive information on your system, and it could be, for example, username password combinations from system files. It could be in environment variables, for example, API tokens, access tokens like AWS underscore whatever that is available. It could be on your desktop machine that they try to steal the data from auto-completion, credit cards, information, whatever. So the field of sensitive data stealers is very, very broad, because a lot of data can be misused. It can be a plain, just for information. It can be a preparation for a bigger attack. It can be the final data, like credit card information. So you should be aware that this sensitive data stealer can be everywhere. It can be on a local machine. It can be on a server, and so on. And that is more or less a basic principle of a sensitive data stealer, because this data is then sent back to some server in the internet to collect this information and work with it. So that was a short version about sensitive data stealers. If you want to know more about sensitive data stealers, or if you want to have other terms in a short version or a long version explained, write it down in the comments with a comment, I need more detailed information, or I would like to have this explanation. Then it will come to my backlog, and it would be a pleasure for me to get more feedback from your side, and so we can discuss over the comments. Otherwise, whatever date and time you're watching this, I hope you have a good rest of your day. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you're not already have done it. And don't forget to turn on the bell so that you're not missing any new video. Okay, so it was a pleasure for me to see you here. Have a good rest of your day and see you